Microsoft is going to finally kill off Internet Explorer June 2022. I mean, I don't know. Does anybody have fond memories of Internet Explorer? I was never a big Internet Explorer guy myself, but there would always be some weird circumstance where some website would require Internet Explorer. Do you remember these days? It would be like only works on Internet Explorer, and you would have to, I don't know what I'm remembering, like applying for a driver's license update or some old government thing or something. It'd be like it works on Internet Explorer 9 or something. I don't remember.
Yeah. I don't remember anything like that, but I think it was put in the choice of Netscape or Internet Explorer.
Well, you also had the Firefox years. Firefox crossover where a lot of people transitioned to Firefox before Chrome became such a big thing.
Yeah, that wasn't available at school. So it was just Internet Explorer or Netscape at school.
Oh, you're going back
Which
further.
Was a travesty.
You're going back further.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, the fact that they still support it now is kind of a surprise because obviously they put out the Edge browser now like a while ago. But there are apparently many of these institutions and I guess large companies, I doubt that they would still be on there, but that have software that's built to work in that browser. And so they've been supporting it for this long, but they're just saying, we're out. We're done with that. Move on already, people. Internet Explorer is going away. Edge has been out since 2015. Figure it out. 2022, RIP, Internet Explorer.